Egbe kien we an fian wo. Ami wo fian wo ha. We move. They can't take it. They can't take it at all. I mean, I'm a boy. I'm a bonny boy. What's the time? 6 o'clock. I'm a boy. Where I'm a bonny boy. All our side game. He went out the blood. He's in the blood. I ever see people wake bokan as they be. Old fools. Old fools. You know they understand Benin language. Oh, not what I will speak more English. Yes, if you want to talk to all these fools, all those who like 40, 50, 60, now Benin good to talk to them. Now Benin good to talk to them. They speak small English, they join now. Sorry. Egbe kin egbu egbe miami okin okan ewu egbe kan I don't know why. If they do, if they talk to you, their body not the body not the pigeon. You know the pigeon, no. You know the pigeon. You know how many accounts I get? If I meet you, I meet you. Yeah, but they go when you large on the hotel. When you do advice, advice you know how blue and I will kill you. Now that advice will go advice. Go and advise your daughter. Go and advise your daughter when they do a share for Benin. You and your man do for Italy. Your own pikin they do for Benin. Go and advise her. Una not the advice now. Una won't fool una body. Or what like if food they throw away. If fool una body they throw away. Una not they say those one. Why me? Well, why you they'll say they will get the gauze, the nail. They'll say they won't come advise another person. Like who raise you? Who raise you, mama boy? They will not raise you where Akoko where Nena do have Vera. Who raise you? You will get my message. You will get into your deep score. Respect not therefore on any old cargo, old fools for the social media. If you respect yourself, they will respect you. But as soon as I don't want the respect on myself. Me respect you. You jump rock. Who jump me rock? A rock you me rock. Zoom rock now you jump. So I take PA now when it comes well. They scratch. Though they demand respect when they know they give themselves. Respect is an hypocrite. Not be Sijore talking. Okay, person like Sijore now, for example, when they mind their business, when he not they cause you, when he not they talk to you, okay? Why would you want to insult her? Why you say you want to insult her? No. Who respect himself, you will respect him. Who don't respect himself? Who why very never neglect ya vie? We know we give way ya boy. Imake in ways in je de to I don't give a fuck. On your give me voyage. I not care the age when you day. You not respect yourself. I not feel respect you. Sorry. You have to respect you. What? I not go fit. I not go feel respect you. Why not buy one? They will fear to. So they demand respect when they don't they give themselves. I'm sorry, don't go and eat for me. Ere do go we go. Woman na go very go we. You know go talk to your daughter, your so-called daughter. Ere yan gbo pa wa wo. Ere wa na wa name and no e yak no ho ma to. Woman ya go lo no gbo bi we. You not go find who kill your pikin. Especially me don't have them your egbe. Owama gwela, owama gwejo. See you. See another thing when you they do yesterday. You they say me Vera bring paper. Hey boy, even wete jena 35 years for Europe. When they be Jesus. You they follow Jimmy. Wow. Now some people useless. Say me Vera bring paper. And here boy, they know they stupid say. I be one even like Omanku who know there. He not let me too. You can't they show us, you can't mumu rich. You not show identity with the social media. Like you won't show your identity. That one for inside there. Oh well, once one Mr. My sister. Is udege na human but not your mossa. Like you understand? Identity. Which card is this one? Okay, this one. Okay. This one and this thing. Not even hospital card. This one a bus card. This one a bus card. You not even carry my name, not the nothing there. You can't they show your as my boy come muri. You can't he says see my say see my paper. See my paper. See my this thing. He can't your show they feel screenshot that thing. Go use and do anything. Date of birth, they there. Waiting, they very important for. So people feel see they break themselves. Your date of birth, your full name, and the X number, the number, everything your show. As it they do, they go zoom on. Every zoom, you go zoom and zoom and zoom on. All your details. Why it be say if one a Monica here, una no get sense. Una no they get sense. So why you maybe we say you show your paper. See my suggestion better go bring your own. You don't know say what did you do yesterday? All your details don't there with people. They feel use and do anything. I say no way. You wanna come. Now say which kind of mumu be that? Now so you mumu rich, showing your paper like this. Enter say we no go boa. Get come for you. Now so you mumu rich, showing your document with your name like this one now. This one a boss my name no they nothing. They feel as I do and so, they feel screenshot time. Now some mama boy tell you yesterday because say you won't tell Vera. Because say you won't tell Vera. You go kill yourself, idiot. Because say you want to tell Vera, say Vera, bring your paper. See my own. Now Vera, you they use yourself, they compare. A Vera, not like we about 5 years, we're not like we about 33 years. Then you will know, say nah, where te me be. And on my way, when you have been well, like he never say when they give you paper. He never tell when they give you paper. Because if they spare the frustrated, on my way back, no sabi spare frustrated. Una they quit the frustrated for you know they tire. You know they will spell and complete. Yeah, will be. Even they show. So nobody feel even call you, tell you say that thing you did. Say because thank God say people don't screenshot them. A man screenshot any. Everywhere we were con like your mumu, una mumu not do, your mumu never do, your mumu not do. How can you be showing your document that is full with your name, your information on social media? You know if you even cover them. You know cover it. You they do like this. Even as you do it like this. Okay, for your mind now. The first time we take 600 they look you. Because I don't 30 that is something you know. Social media now. A saga or a saga. That one a normal. A normal no. All the view on your them. As far as our saga is concerned, they must watch both Nigeria, both Instagram, and your way Congo side if you won't do tafia for Instagram. View, not the day Facebook now. Your Instagram, 30 something view. People want to look. Everybody want to look. When it comes to saga, everybody want to look. That one a normal. A normal. Okay, for your mind now, everybody when they come wash you for, then they get good mind. Hey boy, and when you're not done good way, all a good mind, now you get good heart. Wanna show you because you want to tell Vera, say, Vera, show your paper. See my paper, see the other one, see this one, see that one, see this one. Wanna be a good way with type Vera. If I didn't know who were phone, who were what we phone. If I don't like about 5 years ago, when are you good with tie? Now what are they? So you know yes I look for sugar daddy for you. I be too new any can't buy you a home. Any can't buy you a home. Okay, they never talk and ritual or you never hear when you home. No go find for your life. Where go the life away? I dey find my life where I will fit do saga, do video anywhere, anytime. And I get many accounts. Make you not find your own. They find me person go look for work. Where go love where? I know you they tell me go look for work. I did the depot. I did depot. He reckon and I go le sugar daddy nek me oko. No go find. Agbacha what you the Benin boy when you put for house. Again, and you want to tell me I go look for work before I go look for work. You say I be like you when don't know your left from your right. I we saga ye buy. I got win now with saga. I read joints. I got reckon and I got sugar. I anywhere. Name it. Name man no where wait but no go there. We no represent. And I'm a gava anya. Nowhere. Una they do give you. No worry. Well, worry now. That one, na Bobrisky take draw. Not be working. Now your mama doing. Not be working. Now mama boy no green leave. Iye boy masia not be work. Mama boy no green leave. Ashe but not be work. The grace. Who you want to deceive? Your father. Not be work. But go tell mama boy. Make it live for us. Make us all refine our sugar daddy find a peace enters. No, they don't want to live on. Oma no see They follow us, they drag on. Oh God, Lelima drag. Who does that? Okay, now me you won't cut it. Make me come you do well. You see I ta. When you're there here like my oh Jesus. Tomorrow I see they go there. The other day, who there with me when I do video there? When I do video for where my ta there. When is this quarrel going to end? My sister, I know what fear though. That's the thing. That's one thing that you guys don't know. You know what fear end. You know what fear end. With all this busybody like Mama Boy, when you know they mind our business, all those old cargo, old fools, when they don't mind their business, you know fear end though. Sorry, it can't. It can't end. Egg no verse. Not be mates. No shit. I'm still talking to you. What thing you they talk? Mama Boy when they use herself, they compare. They shook mouth waiting up concern her. Because since this thing, now so that they do. Since this matter they grand, when Vera and I hear you were, because I hear you will receive now, you go collect. Mama Boy, they find every you're not going to allow, on not going to allow, if they find where one should come, on not going to allow. He could they find all miss to shook her head inside. And me, I will say give unto you hot. They two are fearing they two are so woe. Me, I know they look at where they cry. Mega or no fear. You feel come and can't talk, nothing you won't talk. For me, and walk by run where no give me my or see who are one like trappy man, eh? Oh God, you want to increase the drug away. You know, say, you can't shame the shameless. You can't shame the shameless. I will be okay. You can call us anything. We're useless family, family. Who cares? Who give a hook? Your family not useless. Because they told me useless. Your family, if you not useless, if for not say you condition, you can't do can't do a share, you can't give them. So all family, as far as Edo State is concerned, when he said their family condition, you can't do a share. All family, all of them, you come here, your family is useless. But their family were not useless. Where do I you got it? So make we all move. All the useless family for Edo State. Oh yeah, let's move. Warrior. Now if you want form innocent. Thank God say your family not be. Even if not be or not be Binio. And so fucking what the saga continue. The bad balls continue. Let's move. Make we move. The bass balls continue. And if they do, if they do, they're not they look back up. But when you walk on, give them back and the thing they pay you know, you go they. Me, I wish my father never come from Benin. That place now where they wish me person come from. Backward state. The most backward state in Edo State. In the full Nigeria and me. Now where they wish to come from? Entire more from my front. What? See Mama Boy. Now believe for come. Mama. Now believe for come. Can't do wash for many years. Mama Boy constantly come. She constantly take over. Now believe for come. All the old boy. See, and come on for my come out. All the old boy for the full universe. Now that place is now the tell say you get here never come. Who they even want? Who they wish to won't come from the state where the highest of both the highest share work for the whole world. Who they wish to come from there? Uzaga it doesn't matter. I'm not even come from Benin. Say I even come from other place. Maybe if I never did this road, they do both self. Now only Edo State, running on now. When you come, even if you don't come from Edo State, you go stay there. Igbo people, when they do a shower for this Europe, they use mistake stay for Edo. Yoruba people, when they do a shower for this Europe, they stay for Edo. Anything, even if you don't come from Edo State, anything when it make you don't step your leg enter there, you must do more. Your headquarters must be Italy. You must do. Ask all the Igbo guests. I know of many Igbo. If you ask, you say now Benin for growth. Hey, no wonder. No wonder. Because the real Igbo guests will not go for Benin. Can never see them for both joints. I mean, I'm a Yoruba will not go for Benin. You know, facing them for Okpo. Because the only state where they swear for Okpo, for Ashie, even if they're old like my man boy, now be those. Now that what they say, hey, God, that's I wish I never come from there. Because I wish I not come from there. Me, I for not do Okpo. I for not do Okpo for my life. Yeah, I for not do Okpo. But they swear for that play with Okpo. Then with Okpo na 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Edo State and Okpo. Na kif. Ask na. That one na only na wetin they see the lie put. Na wetin they lie put. Quand they can they say madam Edo State. Who they wish to come from the highest quarter of Ashiewu, plus the old cargo, the young cargo, all of them. Not pray to come from there, not come from there, not step your leg for there. Because whether you not come from there, you see put your leg for there, you must do Okpo. Because they swear where they swear for them be that. I know they enter, you say make an enter, so you will cry blood though. I think made a lot of come enter us for we. Which house I want enter? Your papa house. Open gate make I enter. I don't enter house. Open your pound because when ram me Allah. I'll go finish my video there. Because anywhere where I am also, I get many accounts with pages. I say I'm not here no go. Because you must send the message across. Or agent or your then or that. Boss everywhere. Yes, once I reach Spain now, if I want to see boss, even if they bring the Facebook, who can't be Facebook, you know, I'll post in your photo, Mama boy. If I hear if I catch you again for this my industry, say you dey in your photo, you open breast again. Now we na dey do my chest. That one not be your feed. Only a feed where. Have you old cargo no restaurant? I mean, those one not be your feed. Those are not your feed. Now my feed be that. Okay? When I come back now, I'm going to Nyaputu. I'm going to Nyapopo. Because there, I don't see sugar daddy, join my sugar daddy. So I'll call Nyapoto to jubilate. I'll come give my coming guys free of charge. Even though, you know, then I jubilate. I'll call it a jubilate. I will call you a jubilate. I they put times for my distance. But I will call use that one. Then you photo can jubilate. Now jubilate I will call day for sugar daddy join sugar daddy. I'm coming. I don't want to see you. Ima only dey gbe me where you come mat come the nyapoto again. I don't cause your breast a breast when we can when they day and when we una yeah I will first post that one first so that if family will know what they think I'm the first one. Yeah, making a me of the second way. I they post right away. I know they do Asha work. Now sugar daddy are the which one be Asha will like? You guys are so harsh. Now sugar daddy runs. Sugar daddy. No know what to be sugar daddy. Waiting all this they do for Nigeria, but in another way of Oyibo style, like looking for sugar daddy. No, wrong. Sugar daddy are gone now. Like you actually okay. Like really? No, it runs you. Even for Nigeria, here I heard where they runs. No, not the rest now. Until you marry, not the rest for runs now. But the difference between me and you be say you they fuck all those are black boys for free. Like we they do runs, we know they do them free. They know they fuck us for free. Our runs not be free. Your own are free, you know. Or maybe you don't marry, I don't know. Some people own are free. Like for one boy, like black boy, Nigeria, all those Benin boys, they fuck. They all in the name of boyfriend and girlfriend. Fuck for free of charge. That's the difference. Me, I don't do free of charge. I get that with free of charge. When I take for all those lazy Nigeria use for free, it don't pass. To fear, abomination, arun. What did the Monica? No. God forbid. What did the Monica say? No fit in my face. God forbid. Something won't fly entire. Now I beat on like this. And now I go. As I beat on like this. Until you come. It never do you before. I don't say the thing they sight. They bite. Now it bite me. Oh. Now I call they scratch and scratch. You call they scratching. As they scratch me, they sweet me. If they scratch me, they sweet me. If they scratch me, they scratch and they sweet me. They sweet me. Before I know, it go come out yours now. No nothing. They do us for fun at that time. Even when they when they do fun, they say may you do something. You can't beat and get your face. You can't bite you. No, they bite face for this place safe. I'll be here. Next tomorrow, you're not going to see him again. God forbid. Like, this is my favorite when you're fresh. So, that one they do makeup for inside motor that day. Which day? Not until she don't put makeup. The face was horrible. It was so ricious. You need the medical attention. You are not normal. My brother, you don't shake your head. Have you shake yours? Like, you don't go for your own. Why you they bother for my own medical care or medical attention or anything? Have you go for your own? Cause do your own first or before you talk about my own. So may not be saying that you first die as I don't want to die for men when talk show that day. They call before you know. Makan, check your own no. Make una stop to the border for people head and check your own first. Check your own first before bothering in any other person's own. Where it no concern you, now your own now you need to concern you. Now you need to be number one first. Because that's how you people concentrate on people's heads more and leave una own. Before you know you the person when you they talk say may go check you go sit there alive. You when the tell person may go check you go die. Oh, winere. Me I no fit do winere. Make I no check my own. I no fit tell you say may go check. What concern me concern your own. Why I go say make person go check your head? It concern me. If you don't get the sense, you won't go check your head. You won't go check your blood. You won't go check your heart. How's that my fucking business? I know they tell you. If you like, you check. If you don't like, no check. It's none of my fucking business. How are you doing, man? Oh, Vera TV program is in the building. Thank you for coming, sis. Thank you so much. Yeah, boy, when you do the one me I give answer because emi normal kind of normal boy genie. He say he won't come advise you. Now when now come they laugh. Why me not do advise someone? What's the normal advice you wear? Again, no can support Monica. Hypocrite bagbon. May not try and next time. Don't try it. Who you want? Not try on. Head down one again. Head down one. don't. He don't. He don't hold for we are for old. If I hold now your old age, it's a love boy. Hey God, though. Why can't people just stop to mind their business? Stop to them, make they mind their business. They live on that person. My old age na my own, no, not be your own. No. Good evening, everyone in the house. Good evening, everybody greets you, my sister. Thank you for coming. Everybody greets you. And I go tired. They don't want to hear the truth. Mama boy, when my name business, I hope the message when I tell you for the other my page, why get it straight. And make you enter us or enter cargo flights, the goers. And like cargo flight in Wario. You won't put the ask of respect. Now so you don't hold. You when you old, you not give yourself respect, uncle. Small picking not go feel respect you. That's it. Full of 40, full of 50, full of 60 over social media now. No way. You not just comfort. Leave my fan. Because I not make up. Because I not make up. You know say now make up. Or you want makeup in it. Oh, you are beautiful. Hey, tell her say she beautiful without makeup. Oh, you are beautiful with all the bleaching and everything. Case somewhere, thank you. You want to be a combat, I see us. No problem. Mommy is good. Oh dear, show. Only a problem. Make una the type person without makeup say you fine. And no let you know why we make up why my mind. Oh, you are no makeup na to na mask. Na mask. The real face they there. If I not find like this Hulk transformer, I don't care. If I make up, I join her. I join my yes. That one addition. That one addition. Okay. Not be say every time make up. Oh, you are beautiful. After you don't make up finish, oh, you are beautiful. You are make up. They make person they fine. If they have to person beauty, but that's not the real beauty. As I not can't get chance, as I not can't like makeup for now, I won't make I find my sugar daddy with my real face. It concern you. Very soon I will still start the makeup. If you still once you see enter me again, like the Z enter me again, I'll just start on. I don't learn some more when I learn. At least the small one when I learn. I sabi make up pass Monica now. And Monica now go be let them no do be you come make kuku. Every go be make up. You know sabi make up now. She still the last person. She not sabi make up. And Monica go make up. All the feel like they need kuku. Then they go show the chororo yo. Oh, yeah, beautiful. Hey, look at real face. Look at for real face. This one, something I beat something for my face. Now something bites me here. One fly. I don't get pimples. I like to the bleach. He said she like to the bleach right from small. Right from small. And at the bleaching, oh my get CI. Nonsense. You can't shame the shameless, okay? You cannot shame the shameless. Now so in our family, now so you and Vera, live on, CIA. If you enter our trap, hey, go walk away. I don't know where that person they die. And especially all those one way they say they don't old. Now so you be grandma, but you know they respect yourself. You be person mama, you be person grandmother, you don't respect yourself. So please don't expect me to respect you. Why you got demand they respect you? Especially will be me. When you as an old person, you know they respect yourself. I don't feel respect you. Be who you be. I don't give a fuck. You need to respect you. Now you know they respect your mama. Why I don't respect my mother? My mother does social media they open breast. Why your man not to show me that they open breast? Now so na me be know this, na me be open to na me they open this one. The one way mama boy they do. Wait till una don't tell her why it am all the breast when she go raise breast like this open bra. Okay, I'll go post them again. It be like this some of I never see them. Wama new and a boy so my ve dege cause a boy wow. Some of his family they blind. So that time they not see him. A boy in my dege. So I go post them again so that make his family for see him. Make they come tell me what they want to talk for this one. This one I day, this one I is your man, this one I person grandmother. Now she claim make they come see him. Me I make it see la wa. When the manager now this time we'll need to make our mistake. Till my area me I can do anything and then later I'll come to tell the story. But not be you, mama boy. Oh, not be you. No, not be you. Not be you. Now you won't call the advice Vera. Now, Vera was so John. I know that. Body on way here. Body no one way. A variety out. She Vera never. She can never be that kind of senior. I learn naga body on one. A body on one. They want they pray. May they be that kind of Dion. Who won't be that kind of Dion? Your Dion won't be. Nobody. Audio no man negbe. Audio no wa. Audio no do ari egbe ari oja we gbe bieka. What do you expect? Even 10 years ago, 10 years. Ye nu wa mu egbu wa gbo to na. 10 years old o te o e ti mu ebogbo hun. O e ti jo janu. 10 years old go curse you. Ye nu wa je social media na. From mama boy go. 10 years go curse you na nyaga nyaga. Oh, you want baby 10 years old. 10 years old. As soon be, you go cost nana without even looking back. Now the stage one na don't follow na hand reach na be that. Then why follow Boa say social media na any? As soon can't follow na 7 hand. 10 years go cost na anyhow. Rubbish. Then you say you want to demand respect. Respect error no wow. Respect error. No single respect for me. She error. Now like me gonna go hot transformer. Cause later there is nothing you want to say about me or my sister. No, be my error. Be my you know. As I said before, my my fry again. I fry again. I fry it to me by. If you shame, you go shop shit. This life, nobody normal again. This life we they live now. This life we take so. Not they claim normal. None of us normal. But everybody, even you, when they say you know your head not correct. In another way, your own not correct. All of them when they write, oh, you are a man, you are sick. Where you know your head not correct. You are not normal. Cause nobody even normal. The real people know say nobody even normal for the world when we even day. So no can they claim normal for my platform. You are not normal. You they sick. If not be said that one died that day now. When he died for Umenwa platform. We for know whether he get kidney problem or he get heart problem. If we don't know, just as some of una there now, some of una get heart problem, kidney. Oh my battery, oh shit, my battery won't finish. Error too much for your family. Make it too much. Kill yourself. Even we are now women. If error too much, leave on for your own call, your own family call. Your family, when you use less, your family not use less. Now they can't do a shower for Europe. Hey, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Error. If error, make your menu as error, you're my family, so I all like her. At least we know say error, they will not perfect. And hot transformer, he can pay. He paid them. Not be small. Vera TV program. Error, your they will know. But hot transformer, hot transformer for error day. We know error your day. We are not perfect. We are not the perfect family. But that goes for your head. Okay. A family when you go beat your crack once. No. Go hands down, beat your hands down, beat your leg, beat your hand. Oh yeah, the anya mo no my pants. Who get pikin when no wear dress. Earlier thing here family. Make error, you make it me short, make more come, make more error there. Yes, now you know. As I say you know then why they cry? Why they pay you? Now your family. Your family where or not they go on when you go there you can't pay. He can't pay to the pay. And the gaga tell mama boy make you and mama boy make you whole transformer. Here boy no raw a cargo flight I am money area very soon a cargo flight. She's going to enter and go back home because do something back home. We know you're doing for nothing. Why get do something back home? What be over here? May not be say you do all those have you do everything. Then you go like that. No, why you want? Make una go house. Make una go house. Have old fools full at 40, 50, 60, 70. All of the day here waro. Quand even they use it say they compare Vera. Yeah boy, oh give me now where my social media name, your identity. If na me be you go change it. Why I report to the station now? When eke kuweo kemanu lele here when why they don't me say. Una show identity with the social media. That's how I know that you are a gunner. Oh, we're phone for life. It's finished. I'm here showing you tag way. I go beside Dokpa. Emi kavere banku we ma we na be yawo averi ma we. E ma no be la banku no be la account we here we be David Rock. Nothing dey there. Onya odo yan ti musa yoru. On your panya when you are musa yoru nu wa ye gbo ma ya pe. On your panya eti amigo ba account we because here when you are account we now with that information you till account we. But he were so I will advise the Yahoo that you put credit on your neck with that thing when you post. He said make Vera come they bring it. Because he want Vera say make it bring the paper. Oh we matter 35 years we wait for 33 years. Ah yeah boy. You go frustrate. Oh why raw there raw. Who ye be 35 years. Eh Vera no la we no my say 6 years we no do re be like well one night maybe now I don't know what I want to do. Also the only solution, the only thing when I can come to now to organize cargo flights. Because a train when a train here was larger with the train. A flight here what action one with the flights. Action what so that we're making a Latin or to also Nigerian. That's the only solution for you guys. A cargo train here you organize cargo flight a cargo flight, that's the only solution for you guys. If not, a nuisance wine it's too much. Ibieka commit a nuisance. Obviously Ibieka do attack me. Ibieka I work ball. Ibieka hogbe Ibieka hogbe Ibieka rena respect emo boy ro very my respect him ya de ka e ro e mani ni one respect me gbin e marry na o de we ni my jena o rena ni my jena this ore Ibieka my respect na we just me no waje that respect me we wa o consent you message me give one ho wa hion me to hion sa we are human to where he on sa. Where you come there, what's my fucking business? Eri yen hioma, eri yen. Uhioma malawa. Owama gwela. 35 years webo in Nigeria ma go ya stage. Otejo ye boy te wa zenwa ye boy wa go no kon. Aze police de aze we have a small boys. Oga e go man go e kon man kon na woke. On the ticket last year last 2 years on a rio wa on a wa rio wa. Ote wa jo ye boy te wa jo. E Monica no. Monica. Monica no. Ye boy te Joe. Ote winyegi de. Iye ga o vie ni ya koke. Ai ga vie ai for now. Oge iye rutete ai vie ahia evite akoko na. Iye rutete vie iye no pa ya buna. Oni ate wa vie agwalo na no Monica na de gbe muere. Monica, ye boy te wa gogile. Ate wa shene. Monica. No, it can never be well with that woman. No, I think well with her. Oh, we have very the day and do we are committed nuisance. Can never be. No, she can never make it. Monica make it. Eke shako, ma make her my way. Eke na make her. Eke shako ma. Monica, eke shako ma buwe. You can never make it. Ah, when we take ya muye boy la we bona. Una de gbe muere. Make idiot. Very any human be like that. Very any idiot. Iye boy here we dori ba ye tetere ba ye nu kokomori. Iyan bungbe. They're too much. And if you all look those people now, 35 years, 40 years for Europe. All like this Europe, 40 years. Oh, my battery. Oh, no. Your father left you. Here, boy, they come back tomorrow. My phone went off. Thank you, my lovely sister. Thank you, everyone. Kate ODL, my lovely people. God will bless you now. Any other way, a bag me, I represent anywhere. Whether I find sugar daddy, I represent. That's it. Come back say you want to talk to my sister. You totally that's it. Oh God, my phone. I come back tomorrow. They back where. Me I go find sugar daddy. Here boy wo wafian because ni ya do la sugar iwe ya la Susan la gba sugar daddy egbagbo ma de gbe okuwa mo si enu waye iwa egbe wafian gudu wafian gu me ma mo blabo yo gwa ni feed e ma waye na ugwa ni mo blabo ni mu aye do ne lazy Nigeria youth lazy Benin youth yo gwa ni feed me and feed I know they do that one. Thank you to my darling sister Vera TV program. Thank you. You are a darling. I love you. I love all my fans and Vera TV program fans. God will bless all of you. You guys are. Who want hug Transformer? You can go and hug. Go hug this night. I don't care. Go and hug. If you want, for those who want hug Transformer, you can't pay. You feel go hug now, no problem. You are free to hug. Go and hug Transformer for my he can't pay, he too the pain. Love you all so much, my phone won't off. But I love you too, sweetie. Thank you.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully